Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This Ingleside mansion has a quality of life appeal with invigorating design, tasteful, warm, livable, and is set on a soothing landscape of over half acre in Mandeville. The building is a split level with 3 stories to the front and 2 stories to the back. The lower floor holds 2 income earning apartments, each having a bedroom, bathroom, living room, laundry room, and veranda. The main house has a formal entrance into a grand foyer, with the formal living room to the left and the formal dining room and kitchen to the right. The spiral staircase leads to the upstairs, can be seen straight ahead. There is an ensuite bedroom, family room, laundry room with full bathroom, and another bonus room that can be used as a bedroom, office, or game room on that level. The kitchen has an island with the stovetop inserted and doubles as an eating area. The master suite, 2 other bedrooms, a bathroom, balcony, and a bonus room is on the top floor. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.